Hey guys, my name is Kaushik and welcome back to Redcode. In this video, we are going to learn how to run our test script in Microsoft Chromium Edge version. It's going to be very simple. The video is going to be very short. I have already discussed about how to run our test script in multiple browsers or to perform the cross-browser testing. I have a detailed video on that using the Selenium Grid concept. So probably you can check that before getting into this. So it's going to be very simple. First, of course, we should not have this direct connect. Direct connect is used to execute only on Chrome and the Firefox, but we are going to run on Edge, Chromium Edge version. So we have to use the Selenium address. First, go to Edge browser and check the version. So if you go to this menu and if you go to the help and feedback, and if you go to this about Microsoft Edge, and here you can see that the version is 85. So we have to download the same correspondent driver file as well. So go to Google and type Edge Chromium driver download and go to this particular link. And here we have to download the driver. So basically, just click on this link here. So I will leave a link in the description. You can take it from there directly. And here we have to take this 85 because of course our browser is also 85 version. So based on the major version, that should work fine. So just click on this 84 or 64 or Mac based on your operating system. So I have already downloaded the file, and make sure you are going to keep that along with your grid hub and node file. Okay. Now, of course, we have to start our hub first. So it's going to run in the port number of 4444. And if you go to this console, and no node is connected as of now, so we are going to connect the Microsoft Edge Chromium node here. So if I do right click and edit, you can see very simple code, java-jar and standard file, and then we are specifying the role as WebDriver, that is node, and we are specifying this port number, and we are also asking to connect to this particular hub that is running on my 4444. And here you have to remember this Microsoft Edge. So the browser name is going to be Microsoft Edge, and we have max instance of 10. That means 10 browser can be there, and two sessions at the same time. Okay, so just double click. So it's, of course, it's a bat file, so we can just double click and trigger. Now if I go back and refresh here, you can see that we are able to see this 10 instance of Microsoft Edge, but the icon is older Edge version, but that's okay. Now let's go back to our script, and here we have this conf file called edgeconf.js, and within this, same as usual, framework, then Selenium address, and this is the spec file name. And of course we have disabled the promise manager because we are using this async and await. And here we have to remember this capabilities, and here I have to specify browser name equal to this value, right, in Microsoft Edge. Now just open up your terminal and go and run, and this is actually going to fail now. So if I try to run this using this config file, it's going to actually fail, and it will say like error, session not created, unable to create a new service, Edge driver service. The reason is it is not able to identify the driver file properly, so that's the reason. Of course, it's going to be solved when Protector is going to update to the Selenium 4 version, but as of now it is using the Selenium 3 version, where we have to specify the driver path by ourselves. So for that we have this command, and let me just copy this guy and close your hub and node maybe, and go to this bat file, edit, and here we have to specify this key, right? So what we are doing is we are saying that webdriver.edge.driver, right? This is similar to your in Selenium we use this system.set property, right? So same thing here also we are doing, and here we are specifying this driver.exe that we downloaded from the Microsoft Edge website, right? So that's it. Now just save this, and of course start your hub, and then followed by your Edge Chromium bat file, and let's confirm it's working. Okay, so the browser is there, of course it's working. Now let's go back and try to execute the same thing, and it should work now fine. So that's it, we are pretty much done. So let me show you the browser. So here you can see that the icon itself, you can see that you are able to load this, right? And then it has some problem, I believe. So let's check. Okay, so we have this await problem because let's go back to this particular script here. So I'm trying to execute this interact with alert, and here we are using await, but I forgot to add the async, so that's the reason. So let me just change it and execute once again. So here you can see that now we got this guy, Microsoft Edge. So it's going to load the URL and it's going to complete the some of the steps. And that's it. So it's done. So the script ran successfully in the Microsoft Edge. So in this way, we can run our test script in Microsoft Edge, the Chromium version. So that's it for the video. I hope you liked it, and if so, do the like. And if you're new to the channel, kindly do the subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one very soon.